Okay, yeah. Hello everyone. I hope that all are doing well. Okay, so first of all, very much sorry that quant reasoning and your general awareness video you are not getting in English language. Okay, because it is very hard for me to make a conceptual video in two language. Otherwise, you know that all the videos I made already for you. Okay, whether it is a strategy, notification form like that. But still, this section, okay, this section that is economy, marketing, customer relation, and history of DFCCL Railway. This is actually the content which is not available anywhere. Any specific book is not there. Okay, that's why I thought yes, I should make video in English also, so that this content you should not miss. Okay, and because of this only you should not lack in the competition. Okay, that is my objective. That's why for this section I will make English lectures compulsory. Okay, so don't worry at all. And I know that you will handle general awareness quant by yourself also. Okay, lots of things are already there with you. Or strategy, in the strategy video I told already book. Our Nikum sir concept corner is there for general awareness. Okay, no need of anything. Then Qbox is there. Those who are Qbox user, practice everything. And if you have any doubt, then obviously you can connect me on the application. Okay, so you can handle, I know. That's why the thing is this. Okay, so see, very crucial syllabus, that is this economy, marketing, and customer relation. So first we will just, now today already it is late because of something, okay, some personal reason. That's why just we will little bit touch economy. Okay, and I will tell you how this syllabus we will cover and everything we will discuss now for DFCCL executive and junior executive preparation. Okay, so this is actually the morning quote. Okay, morning quote was there, now it is a night quote for you. So just for motivation you can read. Okay, new day, new thought. Again for tomorrow, new day, new thought. Okay, now see what is the syllabus with us here. Now for junior actually operation and this BD, there is no fixed pattern. Okay, in 120 they will just mix up everything, but I am assuming that they will provide you 60 questions on this section, on this 60. Okay, that is half of the syllabus, half of the marks, because of for junior executive they mentioned 60, so we will assume 60. Okay, if it is more, then also it is good for us. So see, in simple language, if I tell you the syllabus, then first you will learn about economy. Okay, how the things work, how the production work and all those things are there. Then how money is very important. Okay, as per your nations, our India's point of view. Then our GDP, all those things. Okay, then here to increase our GDP or to improve our GDP, we will produce one product. Okay, now you produce your own product, and now obviously how people will know that you produce the product? You will market it. So you will do marketing. Okay, to your customers, and based on your customer relation, they will decide whether to take your product or not, right? So like this only, this is the funny way to remember the syllabus. Okay, and history of DFCCL is different. Okay, now this word economy, okay, which is the starting chapter, that is your economy, very important word. Okay, so first I will write bookish definition for you. Okay, I will write. So economy is nothing but economic activity in geographic area. Okay, economic activity in geographic area. I know 99% student will not get this definition. Okay, so let's rub it. Okay, but you write in your notes. They'll rub it, and now we will just make it simplified and then discuss. See, suppose you are live in Mumbai. Okay, this is your area. Mumbai. Okay, you go to the shopkeeper. Some shopkeeper is there. Okay, and you want ice cream. So you want ice cream, and you go to the shopkeeper. Now, what you want? Ice cream. Okay, you want ice cream. What is the objective of shopkeeper? He want to sell ice cream. Shopkeeper wants to sell ice cream, right? And what he want? Money, obviously. Money. Okay, so I can say you are consuming the thing or a product or a service or a good. Okay, so you are consuming, or I can say just consumption is there, and the shopkeeper is selling to you. Okay, so distribution is there. And these two words is nothing but your economy activity. Okay, those definition I hope you remember. Economic activity in geographic area. So consumption and distribution of goods and services in some geographic area. It may be country, it may be state, it may be village, any area. Okay, now study of this, okay, study of this consumption and distribution is known as economics. Study of this consumption and distribution in economy is known as economics. Okay, now a few things about economics you should write in your notes, very important for you. They can ask you the basic objective questions from this. Okay, that economics. So who is the father of economics? Who is the father of economics? Adam Smith. Okay, Adam Smith is the father of economy. And second point, thus Adam Smith also called economy as a science of wealth. Okay, what Adam Smith called economics is a science of wealth. Also he wrote one book is there, The Wealth of Nation. Okay, on economics he wrote the book. The book name is The Wealth of Nation. So sometimes also they will ask you in GK also, they will ask, okay, this is the part of GK also, that the book of The Wealth of Nation book written by Adam Smith. Okay, who is the father of economics? Adam Smith. So like this you will remember. Okay, now let's go back to our example that I already told you, that one producer I will tell now. Okay, now I will tell one producer, that shopkeeper is producer now. Okay, suppose that shopkeeper is producer. Or let's change the example. Let take as an example of this. What we can take? Clothes. We will take example of clothes. Okay. Now what is happening? See, you are here. Okay, this is you. You are going to shop. To buy clothes. Okay. Then what is happening? He will give you clothes. You will give him money. Obviously. Now these clothes are made by factories. Okay, and this factory is here. So I can say this is producer. In a very simple language, this is producer who are making the product. Clothes is nothing but product, right? Everything is product. Everything, the one who's selling or buying is the product. Everything, whether it is pen, whether it is mic, everything is a product in life. Okay, in your real life. Okay, so this is producer, we are consumption. Okay, we are buying, we are consumption, we are consumers. So consumers is the word, and we are just consuming, we are doing consumption. Okay, and the middleman is your distributor. Okay, so just little bit I extend the example now. Earlier we have distributor and customer, consumption. Now we have production, distribution, consumption. Producer, distributor, consumer. Okay, very easy. So now just for simplicity and for our revision purpose, you will write in your notes like this. See, consumer, okay, whose objective is to consume. Okay, whose objective is to consume. So one is consumer, other is producer. Okay, in middle you can say distributor is there like this. Okay, so what will producer do? Producer will give to consumer. Okay, producer will give to consumer, that, and then consumer will give money. So producer will give goods and services. I hope something is tickle in your mind about goods and services. Yes, GST, right? GST. And consumer will give obviously what everyone want, money. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Now see, the producer is here. Okay, who is making the product like that. Why he is making the product? What is the objective? Okay, obviously, what is the objective? maximum profit. Whatever the profit I will get, it should be maximum. Okay, so that the amount of invested, first I will try to get that amount, and then the above amount, the amount above investment amount will be my profit, right? So the producer having the objective of maximum profit, and what is the objective of consumer? Now just think about this. Okay, when you go to some shop or when you buy something from Amazon and everything, then what you want, basically what you want, so the product should be long lasting. Okay, in less price we want more quality, the typical Indian mentality. Okay, in very less price we want very good quality product, right? This we want. So means we want maximum, our objective is maximum satisfaction. Okay, so this is the objective of consumer, this is the objective of producer. Simple. They will ask you one theory question from this also. Okay, they will ask you one theory question from this also. Okay, now also just wait 1 minute, that open economy is there and closed economy is there. Open economy is there and closed economy is there. Okay, now see, the name itself suggesting it is open means what? One country do trading with another country. There is no restriction. There is no restriction at all. Okay, you can do import, export, all these things. There is no restriction. But here in the closed economy, what is the economy? Area. Okay, just don't forget now the words which I already explained with you. Okay, that we will use throughout the series, throughout this subject. That's where don't forget the meaning, exact meaning and simplest meaning of the words. So closed economy means no, you can't trade with another country, but yes, within our country you can buy, you can produce, you can sell, no restriction on that. Okay, so within our country, okay, within one country you can do anything, but not allow to do trading with another country. That is, suppose India, okay, India is doing trading with USA, so this is your open economy, so India will come under open economy. So this question also you will get. Okay, they may ask you, the India is come under open, closed, both, none of this. Obviously answer is open. Okay, India comes under open. Now about this open economy also, I remember one example about production and production and this our distributor. Okay, those who follow the Nikum Sir Concept Corner classes of general awareness regarding the farm bill. Okay, I hope you remember what I told. This is the farmer. This is the farmer. Okay, who's making production of vegetable foods. Then he is going to home, APMC market, APMC. Okay, I hope you remember this now. And then from APMC, these products are getting distributed across the city. Okay, so in this case, this is the producer. In this case, this is the distributor, and obviously we are consumer. We are taking fruits and vegetables every day, right? So we are consumer. So this is also best example actually. Okay, to remember the concept already that we discussed when I discuss about farm bill. Very important topic. Okay, critical topic. Okay, so that's it for today. Just we touch. Okay, because it is very late now. But from tomorrow, the class will be on your class will be English class will be, I guess 6:15 maximum. Okay, 6 to 6:15. In this range only your class will be there. Okay, because first Hindi and then English, like that. Okay, so now if you have any query, any doubt, then definitely you can connect to me on application and our Telegram channel. Okay, just prepare very hard now, and I hope that this remaining 50 days you will also do good. Okay, make proper use of everything that our channel is giving. Okay, and what we have, the resources we have. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue our discussion of this interesting economy. I hope that little interest actually at least is getting generated in your body about economics, right? So yes, we will just hold on this spark. I will definitely ignite that tomorrow. Okay, so till then, have a good sleep and just revise before lecture. All the best.